안녕하세요. 님베이지 싱가포르 형제입니다. 네, 안녕하세요 여러분들. It's your anti-aging guru once again, teaching you guys how to look young and handsome and pretty even at age of 45 years old. Yes, I'm 45 years old. That's why a lot of people ask me for anti-aging and beauty tips. So this is one question that I get asked a lot, right? Which is, how do I have such high cheekbones? You know, when I smile, I get this very nice thing here. They say, people ask me how I get this very nice cheekbone. Well, you want high cheekbones? Well, of course, plastic surgery. End of video. Bye bye. Of course not. Right. Now, the thing is this. This thing you see here, these are not bones. See, if you take a closer look, look at this. This is pure muscle right here. It's pure muscle. So when you smile, you see, you get this very nice effect. Very nice roundish effect. Okay. Now, the good news about this muscle is this. Okay, this muscle is responsible for holding up your whole face. Okay, so if these muscles are not good, then you start to sag and then you have jowls. This is the reason why when you get into a midlife and above, you start to develop jowls. Because why? Because this muscle atrophies and disappears. And if you observe a lot of people 40 plus and above, this cheekbone here, this area here is like completely flat. Okay. Now the good news about muscle is this: muscles, as long as you train them, they pretty much last a lifetime. You know, you like this muscle is exactly the same as this muscles. Okay, if you train them, they stay. That's why you see there are bodybuilders in their 70s and like 60s and 70s, they look fantastic. Okay, because as long as you keep training that muscle stays. So, how do I train these muscles? I train this muscle. These muscles I've been training for a very long time, for many years. Every day, twice a day, I do this training. Look, watch. I hold down the face and then I smile. See, by applying pressure here in this jaw area here, like this, and smiling, you're applying resistance. And you're holding up your face, like. And then take note, you see, you're not actually squeezing your eyes, so you're not developing lines. If you're squeezing your lines, your eyes, you're not pushing down hard enough. Like this. 100 times, twice a day I do. In the morning and in the evening. After that, you want to like smooth it out because the pressure can be quite hard, you know. Like this. 100 times. Once in the morning, once in the evening. This is what I do for many years to maintain this muscle right here. Look at that. This muscle. This is muscle, man. This is pure muscle. You don't work them, they go away. Right? Try it. Let me know in the comments below how it works for you. Right? See you guys next time. Adios.